Have you ever felt paralyzed when faced with a difficult decision? Those moments when no choice seems right, and the fear of making the wrong move feels overwhelming? Neville Goddard, one of the greatest thinkers on the human mind and spirituality, left us profound teachings on how to make tough decisions and overcome life's challenges. In this video, I'll share how, according to Neville's philosophy, you can face difficult decisions, handle failure, overcome adversity, and restart your journey with strength and confidence. Stay with me until the end, as I'll teach you a practical technique to transform the way you face challenges and move forward, no matter the circumstances. Step 1. Tough decisions start within you. Neville Goddard taught that your external reality reflects your internal beliefs. To make difficult decisions, you must start by adjusting your mental state. The key is to take control of how you feel and imagine the outcome of your choices. When faced with a tough decision, ask yourself, what do I truly want to happen? What would my life look like if I made this decision confidently? Practice. Visualize the outcome you desire. See yourself in the future, living the positive consequences of your choice. This practice not only aligns your mind with your desired results but also clears away confusion and fear. Step 2. Make mature choices. Being mature, according to Neville, means making decisions based on faith and purpose, not fear or insecurity. Maturity is about accepting that not all choices will lead to perfect outcomes, but each one offers an opportunity to grow. To practice this, evaluate your options honestly. Ask yourself, is this decision aligned with who I want to be? Trust that even if you make a mistake, you can adjust your path. Remember, maturity is recognizing that life is a process of growth, and tough decisions are an essential part of that process. Step 3. How to handle life's difficulties. Neville explained that difficulties don't exist to destroy you but to strengthen you. Each obstacle is an opportunity to learn something about yourself and the world. Practical steps for handling difficulties. Acceptance. Instead of resisting challenges, accept that they are part of your journey. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Reframe the difficulty. See it as an opportunity for growth. Neville believed you are the creator of your reality, so view challenges as tools to build a stronger version of yourself. Step 4. How to rise above challenges. For Neville, overcoming challenges means stepping into the mental state of victory before it happens. This involves imagining, feeling, and mentally living as if the problem is already resolved. Steps to rise above challenges. Shift your perspective. Focus on solutions rather than problems. Practice gratitude in advance. Thank the universe as if the challenge has already been overcome. This raises your vibration and attracts the conditions needed for success. Act with confidence. Take small, consistent steps toward the solution. Step 5. How to handle mistakes and failures. Neville taught that failures aren't the end but part of the process of creating the life you desire. Failure is a tool for learning, and no one reaches success without stumbling along the way. To overcome mistakes. Forgive yourself. Acknowledge that making mistakes is human and part of learning. Reflect on what went wrong. Ask yourself, what can I do differently next time? Restart with a new mindset. Use failure as fuel to create something even better. Remember, failure is temporary. The only true failure is giving up. Step 6. How to restart after adversity. Neville believed that starting over is a powerful act, allowing you to create your life from a fresh perspective. The key is aligning your mind with the future you desire rather than the past that hurt you. Steps to restart. Define a new vision. Ask yourself, who do I want to become from this point forward? Let go of the past. Release grudges and regrets. Tell yourself, my past doesn't define my future. Act with intention. Every small action should reflect the life you're building. Restarting doesn't mean forgetting the past, it means using it as a foundation for something greater. Step 7. How to keep moving forward despite adversity. Moving forward requires courage and faith. Neville taught that to overcome adversity, you must focus on what lies ahead, not what's behind you. To move forward, practice daily visualization. Picture yourself living the life you desire, filled with peace and success. Surround yourself with support. Connect with people who believe in you and encourage you to keep going. Cultivate resilience. Each time you fall, rise stronger and more determined. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Making tough decisions and facing life's challenges isn't easy, but as Neville Goddard taught us, you have the power to create the reality you desire, no matter the circumstances. The key is to adjust your mindset, trust the process, and act with courage and faith. Whether you're restarting after failure or overcoming an obstacle, remember that you're stronger than you think. What tough decision are you facing right now? Share your journey in the comments below. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs this message, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content. See you next time.